Are you looking for the best drone for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best drone for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FIMI MINI 3 Drone. With support for 4K/60 FPS high-speed video recording, capturing incredibly detailed and smooth images is effortless. Equipped with a Sony 48MP 1/2-inch stacked CMOS image sensor, this device achieves remarkable performance enhancements, ensuring detailed recording in any lighting condition. Featuring a latest generation AI ISP chip, achieving 400% higher signal-to-noise ratio than FIMI X8 Mini V2, delivering stunning night scenes even in low light. The FIMI Mini 3 has an upgraded 3-axis brushless gimbal with newly upgraded loss precision stabilization algorithm from FIMI, ensuring smooth aerial footage during high-speed flights in strong winds, capturing every moment without cropping. The FIMI Mini 3 is equipped with the latest SoLink HD digital transmission technology, providing high-definition real-time video streaming up to 9 km away. It supports dual-band switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Advanced encoding and decoding optimization reduce transmission latency to just 120 milliseconds, ensuring stable and smooth video delivery, providing an immersive flying experience. Sleek and lightweight design, weighing only 250 grams, with no training or permits required in most areas. Sized like a smartphone, incredibly portable, and easily foldable for convenient storage, allowing you to enjoy flying pleasure anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Fimy Faith Mini 2 Drone. 249 grams, foldable drone, small size, easy to carry. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 1080p videos and 4K photos, with real-time transmission. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. In altitude hold mode, the drone maintains a consistent altitude while allowing roll, pitch, and yaw to be controlled normally. Camera angle can be controlled by transmitter, APP to pitch from -90 to 0. One press automatically taking off or landing, the drone will take off or go back to the position where it took off, and it is very suitable for novice operation. One key return function makes it easily to find the way home. In the mode, the drone will fly following the player to capture the beautiful moment. Choose one point, then tee the drone, fly in a circle around a set waypoint, and make sure you will get panorama pictures and video. Number 3. CFLY Faith 2 Pro Drone. Digital diagram, flowing distance is 6 km, high flight 800 meters. The stability of the cloud, 90 degrees to 20 degrees with 3-axis brushless mechanical amber chip. 20 million pixels shooting picture, 4K 30 frame recording, fixed definition night view shooting, lighting current fixation point/ultrasonic fixation, GPS, GLONASS dual mode positioning, 29 minutes flight time, 11.4 VLIPO 3S battery, 3100 mAh set exposure compensation, white balance, watermark, ISO, field corner, scene, special effects and other professional shooting parameters, visual follow-up, panorama mode, delayed photo, farther/surround/comet/pointer and other flight modes. Support vertical screen shooting and live broadcasting. Support at upgrade. Number 4. KF102 Max GPS Drone. KF102 GPS mode and optical flow mode, dual mode. KF102 GPS return to start point and point with low power and no signal. KF102 GPS smart following. After the plane left the GPS, it will open the APP following function. and the plane will follow the mobile phone, detect the shooting object and follow the flight automatically. KF102 gesture photography and recognition. Within 1 to 3 meters of the plane, make photographic gesture. Photographic gesture in front of the camera. KF102 route multi-point planning flight. The plane autonomously fly after the preset route. The player focuses on shooting. KF102 fixed point surround. Find the center of the surround, and then move the desired surround radius through the rocker. KF102 track and remind the drone. Click on the GPS signal icon 3 times, open the map interface. The map shows the closing distance of the aircraft, length and latitude position. KF102 2-axis gimbal make photo more clear. Number 5. RG101 Pro Drone. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one click, returns with low power, and returns without signal. GPS intelligent tracking. After the aircraft is connected to GPS, open the APP tracking function, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. APP image GPS tracking. Identify the shooting object from a distance of 10 to 15 meters from the aircraft and perform automatic tracking flight. Gesture photo recognition. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, face the camera and make a photo gesture. Route multi-point planning flight. The aircraft flies independently according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Fixed point orbit. Find the center point of the orbit, and then use the rocker to move the desired orbit radius. MV features, filters, video effects, adding background music, and sharing pictures, videos.